I think that...
Hi everyone, this is Jeff of Flater Mouse. You remember the videos about the body armor made out of toilet paper by the hydraulic press channel? Well, if you didn't, they basically took ordinary rolls of toilet paper and compressed them with, I don't know, 100 tons of pressure. And this made the toilet paper so dense that several layers of these rolls would actually stop handgun rounds. The hydraulic press channel then sent us some of these rolls to test out, and yeah, we had very similar results. Now those videos that we did were just for entertainment only, and it was surprising to see how effective it was, but some folks in Hong Kong decided to try to reproduce these results with a completely different method, not using a hydraulic press. Now I call this the wet compression method. It's meant to be done at home without any special tools or equipment. Once you make the cut, you can now lay it out flat, and then you take a whole bunch of other rolls of toilet paper and overlap them, and basically you can form it into almost any shape you want. But for the sake of this test, we're just going to make small test-sized units. The toilet paper is then completely saturated with water, hence the wet compression method. Then either a wooden board or a steel plate is put on top of the toilet paper. Next, a heavy vehicle is driven over the top of this, and we allowed it to just sit there and compress and kind of dry out overnight. After 24 hours, our compressed toilet paper is still a little bit damp, but it is flexible, so you can form it into arcs and different shapes at this point. We then slice this in half and put it in the oven at about 190 degrees Fahrenheit or about 87 degrees Celsius to fully dry it out. For the test, we'll be using 4 of these plates stacked on top of each other. Each plate is about ½ inch thick, giving us a total thickness of about 2 inches or 50 millimeters. Now this is a very thick and bulky piece of armor, but it is rather lightweight. But we're hoping that this contrivance will be able to stop a bullet in 2 or maybe 3 layers. For this test, we'll be using 45 ACP, just full metal jacket, and if it is able to stop a 45, then we'll go on and test 9mm.
ACP, test 1, I'm ready. I think that went through.
Unfortunately, our 4 layers of wet compressed toilet paper failed to stop a 45 ACP, and if it can't stop a 45 ACP, it's not going to stop a 38 Special or a 9mm. Now, even though this was a complete failure, it's very important information to show people what does not work, what will not protect you, because I actually heard rumors that people in Hong Kong were trying to make body armor using this method. So to sum things up, don't even try this. It's just going to be a waste of time and give you a false sense of security. I hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching.